Hello students of class 7th. Today's video is in continuation with the first chapter of your mathematics textbook, that is integers. This is my fourth video on this chapter. So we are going to start with properties of addition and subtraction of integers. Mainly there are three properties of addition and subtraction of integers, that is the closure property, the commutative property and the associative property. We are going to start with closure under addition. If I have two integers a and b, where a is equals to 17 and b is equals to 23. Now, if I add a and b, that is a plus b, it will be equals to 7 plus 23. Now, this 17 plus 23 will be equals to 40. And this 40 is an integer again. So, we can say a plus b is equals to c, where c is an integer. Or when we add two integers, we get an integer again. So, closure property holds good under addition of integers. Next, we have closure under subtraction. Here also I have taken two integers, a is equals to 7 and b is equals to 9. Now, if I subtract b from a, that is 7 minus 9, it will give minus 2. And this minus 2 is an integer. That is a minus b is equals to c, where c is an integer. We can say that if we subtract two integers, the result will be an integer again. So closure property holds good under subtraction as well. Next, we have commutative property. Now, for addition, addition is commutative. That is, if I have two integers a plus b, then it will be equals to b plus a. I have taken two integers 6 and 4. Now 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. Also 4 plus 6 is equals to 10. So addition is commutative. Next is subtraction. Subtraction is not commutative. That is, if I have two integers a and b, then a minus b will not be equals to b minus a. For example, I have two integers 8 and 7. Then 8 minus 7 is equals to 1. But 7 minus 8 is equals to minus 1. So commutative property does not hold good for subtraction of integers. Next is the associative property. Now, addition is associative for integers, which means if I have three integers a, b and c, then a plus b plus c under bracket will be equals to a plus b under bracket plus c. Now here I have taken three integers, a is equals to minus 5, b is equals to minus 3 and c is equals to minus 2. Then LHS will be equals to RHS, that is both side I am getting minus 10. Okay, or I can say that minus 5 plus under bracket minus 3 plus minus 2, it will be equals to minus 5 minus 2 plus minus 3, or minus 7 minus 3, which is equals to minus 10. Okay, now here an important thing is additive identity. So if I have any integer and I add 0 to it, the result will be the integer itself. That is a plus 0 is equals to a, which is equals to 0 plus a. So we can say that 0 is an additive identity for integers. Thank you students. Hope you have understood these properties for addition and subtraction of integers. Go through it once again, because the questions we are getting in the next exercise are based on these properties only. Thank you very much.